How to use the power of your subconscious mind to attract wealth. Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for creating wealth, your subconscious mind. Many people struggle financially not because they lack opportunity, but because they haven't learned how to convince their subconscious that they are worthy of abundance. You might have seen people who work only a few hours a week yet earn incredible sums. They seem to live effortlessly. What is their secret? They have mastered the art of aligning their subconscious mind with wealth. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do the same. Understanding wealth as a state of mind. Wealth is not just about working hard or laboring endlessly. The truth is, wealth begins in the mind. Many believe that to get rich, you must sweat and struggle endlessly. But this is a misconception. In reality, the effortless way to wealth is to follow your joy and passion. For example, I know a man in Los Angeles who earned $75,000 a year. Last year, he spent 9 months traveling the world, experiencing the most beautiful places. He told me the secret. He had convinced his subconscious mind that he was worth this level of abundance. Here's the key. Your conscious skills alone are not enough. It's your subconscious beliefs that determine your results. Men with equal knowledge and skill may earn far less because their subconscious mind is not aligned with wealth. Your subconscious mind is a reservoir of infinite possibilities. If you know how to tap into it, it can help you attract abundance effortlessly. Your invisible source of support. Most people live in fear of financial instability because they have no invisible support. They worry about business losses, stock market drops, or failed investments. But the secret is simple. You have an unlimited source of wealth within you. If you have a poverty mindset, you attract lack. If you have a wealth mindset, you attract abundance. Your words are powerful. What you say repeatedly to yourself shapes your reality. By choosing to think and speak about wealth, you program your subconscious to find opportunities and solutions. How to build a wealth consciousness. So how do you start building a wealth-conscious mind? Here's a simple method. 1. Repeat a wealth affirmation 3 to 4 times a day for about 5 minutes. For example, say quietly to yourself, wealth, success, abundance. 2. Focus not on the words themselves, but on the feeling of wealth. Imagine it, feel it in your heart, and let it grow inside you. 3. Your subconscious mind doesn't argue with reality, it magnifies whatever you impress upon it. So, rather than forcing, I am rich, focus on the feeling of wealth. Remember, the subconscious is like a universal bank. It multiplies whatever you deposit. Deposit thoughts of wealth, not poverty. Why affirmation often fail? Many people fail with affirmations. Why? Because they don't truly believe them. For example, if you say, I am wealthy, but deep down you feel poor, your subconscious will reject the statement. Instead, it will produce the opposite of what you want. Solution: use statements that feel believable and non-contradictory, such as, by day and by night I am prospered in all my interests. Or for business, my sales are improving every day. The key is aligning your conscious belief with your subconscious mind. When they agree, you create unstoppable momentum. Avoiding negative thinking. Every negative thought is like signing a blank check for lack and failure. Thoughts like, there is not enough to go around, I will lose everything, are requests your subconscious mind takes literally, attracting obstacles instead of abundance. Instead, focus on positive statements and feelings of prosperity. I am surrounded by abundance in every way. Compound interest of the mind. Your subconscious mind works like a bank giving compound interest. Whatever you deposit, it multiplies. Deposit thoughts of wealth, success, and peace daily. Avoid fear or negative thoughts that cancel out your affirmations. Think of it like planting a seed. Once planted, you do not dig it up. you let it grow. Example, if you start saying, "By day and by night I am prospered in all my ways," consistently, opportunities, ideas, and wealth will naturally flow to you. The true source of wealth. Wealth does not come from stocks, money in the bank, or property. These are symbols of wealth, not the source. The true source of wealth is ideas. Your subconscious mind is a limitless fountain of creativity, ready to guide you to solutions, opportunities, and financial breakthroughs. Convince your subconscious that wealth is always circulating in your life. The form it takes doesn't matter. It could be money, ideas, opportunities, or business success. Envy and mental blocks. Envy and jealousy are major blocks to wealth. When you criticize or resent others for their success, you push wealth away from yourself. Instead, "I rejoice in that person's prosperity. I wish them greater success." This neutralizes negativity and allows wealth to flow to you freely. Also, don't worry about others' actions or dishonest behavior. Focus on your mind and maintain good mental relations with everyone. Your subconscious mind will handle everything else. Practical sleep technique. Before sleeping, practice this simple technique. Repeat the word wealth quietly and feelingly, like a lullaby. This programs your subconscious during a time when it is most receptive. Over time, wealth begins to flow into your life in ways you may not even imagine. Action steps. Here's how to serve yourself with the power of your mind. 1. Decide to be wealthy using the subconscious mind. 2. Stop striving through hard labor alone. Use your mind. 3. Repeat wealth-focused affirmations daily. 4. Feel wealth inside you. Don't just say words. 5. Avoid negative thoughts and envy. Celebrate others' success. 6. Deposit positive ideas daily in your subconscious mind. 7. Use sleep as a tool to impress your subconscious. By following these steps, you'll not just think like the wealthy, you'll become a magnet for wealth.